Alright, how's it going everyone? Welcome back to Calabrese Auto Detail, and in today's video we're going to be doing a little bit of a throwback on the footage here, and I want to do a voiceover on it to explain some topics that I want to get on the YouTube channel and for you guys to listen to. So back in 2021 I did one of my friend's cars, and this is filmed during senior year of college, and I have one of my friends filming it for me as well, so it's kind of a cool little bit of footage for you guys versus me just talking behind the camera or filming on a tripod. So a few topics that I want to get explained in this video is why I started detailing, when there's going to be new videos, and all my new equipment that I have in 2023, and the expansion of my business. So this is why I started detailing. Was I graduated college with a finance degree, and I could have easily started working in the city and stuff, but there's a lot of regulations and a lot of hours you have to put in, and I didn't really want to do that, work for someone else to make someone else's pockets fatter. I want to do that for myself. So I like cars, and I don't mind cleaning, and a lot of people don't like cleaning, so that's a pretty good combination. If you like cars, you don't mind cleaning, and you get paid for it. So that's why I started my business, for the freedom, more time with friends and family, and to make my own hours. You could go on vacation whenever you want. And over the winter time, since I live in the Northeast, I don't really work. I stopped my business in November. We had a really cold week. My equipment started freezing in the van, so I said, alright, let me close down the business for the winter, and we're going to start back up in March. So what I did over the winter time, I saved up a bunch of money from detailing, and I actually purchased a rental property in my state, New Jersey, and I actually have been renting it on Airbnb. So I've been checking people in and out and cleaning the place and going through all the stuff like that and reaping all the benefits of having a rental property. So that's what I've been doing over the winter, and now in March, I have a few more days until March, and then March comes around, I'm going to be uploading a bunch of new videos. So if you guys do want to see some more content on this channel, make sure to leave this video a like and subscribe, and tell me if you want to see more videos kind of like this. I want to expand this side of the YouTube a lot more, show you guys what I do on a daily basis and stuff, and I don't really know which direction I want to take the YouTube for detailing. There's a bunch of different niches you could do for detailing. There's the satisfying videos, the business side of it, and just like day in the lives of running a business and stuff. So we'll see. But this video here, it's fun. It's nice to watch because my process is so different now, and I have much more advanced equipment to get the job done quicker and more efficient. And this year I'm charging a little less than I did last year. I want to go for more volume this year. I mean, last year I did about 500 cars in 2022, and in 2023 I want to do about 1,000 cars, charge a little less, maybe expand, hire a few guys to help me out. So make sure my goal for 2023 is to work on the business instead of work in the business. So the past 2-3 years I've been working in the business, just me putting in the work, detailing cars every day. But I want to start to work on the business and expand and advertise and do things like that. So that's what I'm doing for 2023. And the new equipment I bought, I did make a mobile detailing van update, but maybe this video will get more views and likes and stuff, so we'll see. But the new equipment I got for my van is a new vacuum. I got the Craftsman 6.5 horse vacuum. Apparently it's got the most power and the most suction out of all the vacuums, so I made sure to get that one. I want to be more efficient and do interiors quicker. I got new attachments for my air compressor. I got the Vortex cleaning gun. I had the cheaper one last year and it started to break on me, so I'm upgrading that. And then I also bought a new detailing cart that I'm going to be able to roll up next to the car that I'm working on and have all my products and tools with me, so I don't have to keep going back and forth to the van. So that's the goal: make it quicker, more efficient, get the same great professional results as I did before, but be able to fit in more cars in a day. And I also got, so last year I had a 65-gallon water tank. I sold that on Facebook Marketplace and bought a 100-gallon because I found myself going home and refilling the tank once or twice a day just to make sure I had enough water for the next one. And I think with 100 gallons, I almost doubled what I had last year, so I'll feel more confident, at the end of the day, maybe 3 o'clock, being able to have about 50 gallons left and going to the next detail, no problem. So that's some of the new upgrades I did. I'm going to be buying more as detailing season continues, but I'm excited to get started, make some more videos of all the new equipment and my new processes and all that stuff. So also, I bought a new truck this year to have the tax benefits and to expand my business. So I want to get more into power washing, house washing, just as more of a services that I could provide for people, because I may do their car every few months or something, and then I'm the guy, so they're gonna call me and say, Kev, I have algae on my siding, or I want to get my patio redone, so I'm gonna have my new truck with my power washing equipment on there and be able to do that service as well. So I'm definitely excited for 2023 in the future and all that. So yeah, you can see my vacuuming here isn't that efficient. I used to have a rigid 4-gallon 5 horsepower and with a little attachment, but this year it's going to be quicker and better. And then this vacuum that I'm using here, I'm going to be using as an extractor. So I bought the Better extractor kit for like $230, and I'm going to be using my shop vac now as an extractor. And you don't really need, the heated extractor, you can get the Mighty, a bunch of detailers have that Mighty Light, and it's like $1,500 just to get that machine. And I'm going to see how it is with the $200 upgrade for a shop vac that I already have. So I'll be all in about $300 for an extractor, and it should last pretty long and get the same amazing results, or a little bit less than maybe a heated extractor. But if you use the right chemicals, you'll be able to get pretty much any stain out. So yeah, we went over a few topics here, why I started detailing, new videos to come in March, to really try to upload a bunch to get this channel rolling. I've had a few channels in the past and they all do well, and then I just give up on it for some reason because I get too busy with detailing or something. So I want to make sure this one gets promoted more, and potential customers might even watch my videos. That if you search up my business, Calabrese Auto Detail, on Google, my website comes up, and my Instagram comes up, and the YouTube channel. So this could be for potential clients as well. And then the expansion of the business, we're going to hit some big numbers this year. I'm excited, and we're going to make sure we do it all correctly with an accountant and all that. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'm just finishing up the detail here, doing the glass and using the waffle weave towel like I do now. So yeah, thank you guys for watching again, and I'll see you guys in the next video.